In this lecture, I'm gonna show you overview of the dashboard of the WordPress to understand how everything is and how it all works. This is gonna be super basic to make sure understand how it works. So please bear with me if you are a little more advanced, and this would make sure you have great understanding about how everything works so we can dive deeper to build great things later in this course. Left side panel is helpful to navigate different admin pages in WordPress. So on the left side, there is the first thing about the dashboard. And on the top, there is a WordPress logo which says something about the WordPress. And then under there is a documentation about the WordPress and support and feedback. Some menus present here. So here is the subline, or you can say the headline of your WordPress website. And below that, there is a visit site button which can directly leads you to the new tab. And then under the dashboard there is a home of the dashboard, and then there is a updates button. Once you will click on the updates, it will show you something here if there will be any update available. And after that there is a post where we can write new post, and we can see our all posts. We can categorize the post and add a tags to the post. Under that, there is a media where we can add our images, videos, or anything into the library, and we can also go to add the new things. Similarly, there is a page where we can see our all pages like home, about us, contact, etc. And we can also add a new page from this button. Under that, there is a comments which the user leaves on our website under the posts. After that, there is a appearance tab present here where we can use the themes option, or we can also use the editor box here. After that, there is a plugin section. Plugin is basically used to increase the functionality of the website. So like if you want to add Facebook reactions to the website, then it's good to use the plugin. If we want to add a live chat to our site, then we can use the definitely the plugins. We can also check our installed plugins and add new to add these new plugins. After that, users are present. Users are actually the persons who are using our website or who can manage our website with using our permission. After that, there is a tool button available to import or export the different things which we want. Suppose we want to export the posts or the images or anything, we can export or import from the other side. After that, there is a settings tab present here which also has some menu items like general, about, writing, reading, and discussion, media, permalink, or privacy. We can go through every single option to make a deep dive about WordPress. So this is a basic introduction about the WordPress dashboard. So on the top bar, we'll see a comment box, which are the pending comments which we will approve if we want. And on the right, there is a new from where we can add a new post. We can add a media like images or the videos. And if we want to create a new pages, we can go through that. And after that, there is a user button present here. And the next one tab is for the cache. So if we want to remove the cache, we can also click on that or go to the settings. And on the right side, there is a profile button from where we can edit our profile. Suppose you can click on this edit profile to make edits to your current profile. So once we will click on this profile, we can also disable our visual editor. So in the WordPress, there is a definitely two types of editors present. One is the text editor and the other one is the visual editor. If we will close this, then the visual editor definitely get closed, and we can also use the text editor. After that, we can also go to the syntax highlighting box. After that, we can also edit our color scheme. You can try different color schemes as per choice. So I'll keep the default. After that, you can also enable the keyboard shortcuts for the comment moderation. And we can also use this to show the toolbar. So what is this toolbar? You can see this site here on the front end. Here you can see this toolbar is present here. If we will disable it, then there will be nothing about this. And after that, there is a username of the site which is completely impossible to change. After that, there is a first name. We can also use this name to, suppose I will add this name here. Then this will be automatically updated. We can also write our nickname here, and we can also display our name. Like there are different suggestions present here to display name publicly. After that, there is a email address required, so we can get the new information from there. We can also add our website link here, like this one is present here. We can also add a biographical info, like I am your WordPress teacher. So it will be definitely say so it would be definitely saved. After that, we can also change our tar. Just click on this. Now it will just redirect you to the Gravatar website, and you can also make changes to this and create your Gravatar to add it here, like this one. So I'm going back. After that, if we want to add a new password, we can just click on this and choose our password here, and after that we can update this profile. So it was the basic introduction of the WordPress dashboard, so you can come to know about different stuff. You can also go to the screen options present here. You can also go to the dashboard again to check anything if present here. Like there are different stuff. We can also go to the screen options, and like, so we'll scroll down. There is a site health, quick draft, at a glance, and different options which are present also here. If we will remove it from here, definitely these will be get closed from there. There are nothing present. So if we will close this quick draft, we can just scroll up and click on this, uncheck this box, and definitely it's gone. And similarly, we can also check this box again to make these things present on our screen. So you have come to know all about the basics of the WordPress dashboard. So definitely it will help you to improve something, and we can build better things later in this course. So please make sure to subscribe this channel so you will get updated once I will upload any new video about this course. Thank you so much.